In this video, I'll show you how to put a debit card in your Apple Wallet. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. You can quickly find it by swiping down on your home screen and typing Wallet in the search bar. Before you continue, make sure you have a passcode or Face ID set up on your phone. Apple Wallet requires that for security. Once you're in the Wallet app, look at the top right corner and tap the plus icon to add a new card. You'll see several options for the types of cards you can add, like Apple Card, debit or credit card, transit cards, and even state IDs in some regions. Select debit or credit card, then tap Continue. Now you'll have two ways to add your card. You can either use your iPhone's camera to scan your debit card or manually enter your details. While scanning works, it can sometimes be inaccurate, so the safer option is to choose Enter Card Details. Typing your name and card number, then tap Next. After that, enter your card's expiration date and security code, and tap Next again to continue. Apple Wallet will now connect with your bank or card issuer to verify your card. You may be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap Agree to move forward. Depending on your bank, you might also need to verify your identity. You'll usually get the option to receive a verification code by text or email. Choose your preferred method, tap Next, then enter the code you receive, and tap Next one more time. Once your card is verified, you'll see a message saying Card Activated. That means your debit card has been successfully added to your Apple Wallet. From now on, you can use it anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. Just hold your iPhone near the reader to make a payment. You'll also see your new card inside the Wallet app, ready to use whenever you need it.